A wire transfer is the quickest way to fund your Schwab brokerage account. This video will show you how to navigate schwab.com to make a wire transfer, including where to find instructions for making the transfer and how to follow them. After logging in, first navigate to Transfer and Pay, and then click Wire Transfer. Because you're wiring to Schwab, click on Receive a Wire and choose which account you want to use for the transfer. The steps are similar for domestic and international wire transfers. However, domestic transfers can be made to either a brokerage account or a Schwab bank account, while international wires must use a brokerage account. For this example, we'll make an international wire transfer, but the steps will be similar for a domestic wire transfer. Choose a brokerage account and select No to make an international transfer. Then, select Yes to make the wire transfer in US dollars. The wire transfer instructions will appear, which you can use at any bank. Forms vary by institution, and if your financial institution requests a beneficiary or payee, it is Charles Schwab Co. Inc. Remember, list your first name, last name, and Schwab account number to designate the funds for your account. If your institution doesn't provide enough space for that information on the form, you can abbreviate for further credit to as FFC. When Schwab receives the wire, we'll put the funds in your account. Keep in mind that wires must first go to a third-party account owned by Schwab before the funds are transferred internally to you. Within the U.S., wire transfers typically complete in 1 business day. International wires may take between 2 to 7 business days. Wire transfers are only processed on business days. Visit schwab.com/howtocenter for more videos.